Hey everyone, today we're checking out Ultralink free Wi-Fi router, a product that promises free satellite internet is zero cost. But is it really legit or just another scam? Before we start, a quick disclaimer: this review is based on my personal opinion and research. So, Ultralink claims to offer a free Wi-Fi router that connects you to satellite internet anywhere, supposedly giving you unlimited internet for free. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. According to multiple user reports on Reddit and sites like Malware Tips, there are some serious red flags. First, many experts point out that the tiny antennas on these routers simply cannot pick up satellite signals, making the core technology claim basically impossible. Also, some suspicious activity has been spotted, like multiple reviewers using the same stock photo, which is a classic sign of fake reviews. One reviewer even warned about potential malware or spyware installed on the device, and the refund policy. It's pretty odd. While the router is advertised as free, you actually have to pay $60 upfront, and that payment is not refundable. So basically, you're paying for a free router that might not work at all, with zero money back guarantee. Our tip sums it up well, calling Ultralink likely a scam due to the impossible tech claims, lack of company transparency, poor customer feedback, and manipulative sales tactics. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. For the final verdict, based on my research, I would advise staying far away from the Ultralink free Wi Fi router. Instead, go with trusted, established internet providers. Free unlimited satellite internet just isn't realistic.